So our company has been producing refrigerators and freezers and other type of food service equipment for over 70 years.
People should buy from Beverage Air because we're the best at what we do.
I grew up in this place, basically. My dad worked here.
I started on the floor and now I'm in management, so this is a good place to work.
I can get a bunch of parts and a blueprint and have to build it. All these parts have to look like this.
When our machines are cutting steel, we need to know the particular thickness of the metal.
You have a piece of flat steel and that's formed and shaped, and then it's all put together.
Once our refrigerator systems are completely brazed together, it's like a complete unit, we high pressure test them with nitrogen, and then the unit goes into what we call, it's a pressurized booth where there's positive pressure. It goes in and we fill the system with nitrogen and helium mix.
It's all, I see it from the beginning to the end. My job is basically to walk with the coolers down through and make sure they're being done properly.
The coolest part about my job is I've been here for 30-some years, 32 years, and I learn something new probably every day.
Every day is almost like a learning experience. You always find something different that you learn.
You can just see that thing that you had a part in making, and it's like, hey, that was my design, and there it is in a restaurant or something. And so that's pretty cool to see.
People expect us to make things that get cold, and I honestly think that's the coolest thing about manufacturing. We make things get cold.